Samsung Electronics is gearing up to drop some seriously exciting innovations ahead of the Galaxy S25 launch event next month, and it's not just about the phone this time. We're talking groundbreaking tech across smartphones, augmented reality glasses, and even smart rings. These advancements are all about making user experiences smoother and more intuitive by tapping into the power of artificial intelligence. One of the most buzzworthy developments is an eye-powered feature that lets you remove unwanted objects from your photos. Imagine snapping a picture and realizing a random passerby or an object is ruining the shot. With this new tech, you'll be able to select those distractions, and the AI will erase them seamlessly while keeping the background intact. In fact, the AI is even smart enough to extend the background, making it look like the scene was never interrupted. It's like having your very own photo editor built right into your phone. But that's not all. Samsung's also been working on some next-level AR glasses. A recent patent reveals AR glasses with sensors that track your gaze, which means the app interfaces on the glasses will adjust and show up where you're actually looking. Plus, there's a virtual compass feature that'll help you navigate through the AR world. These kinds of enhancements are sure to elevate the AR experience, making it even more interactive and user-friendly. And if that's not enough, Samsung is also working on a smart ring that adapts to fit your finger size. No more worrying about whether it's too tight or too loose. It's all about comfort and personalization. Now mark your calendars for January 22, because that's when Samsung will be revealing the Galaxy S25 lineup, which includes the Standard, Plus, and Ultra models. All these phones will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors to supercharge their AI capabilities. Plus, expect an upgraded version of Bixby, Samsung's AI assistant, which will be more powerful and smarter than ever before. The launch event is also likely to showcase Samsung's extended reality, XR, glasses, a project they've been collaborating on with Google and Qualcomm. These glasses are expected to feature an AI chatbot integrated with Google Gemini, along with Qualcomm's cutting-edge chipsets. So, what are you hoping to see from the upcoming Galaxy AI features? Are you excited for the AI photo editing, AR glasses, or something else entirely? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.